Hello everyone, I'm Filipina, and today I have these shoes, sneakers, so I'm going to unbox and try on. The first is, there, this one. It's clothing. Only we try on the shoes. Because this one I still need to wash. Oh my god. I reordered twice. Oh wait. Yeah. My god, I mistaken. So I have two of this dress. Same color. I overlook. And this dress, so nice. Sleeping wear. Maybe I can try on this one. We'll see. Okay, this dress. I will adjust. And then the sneakers. Oh. Warrior. So, my size is size 37 with the sneakers. If you want to donate some shoes, just message me. Okay, try on. It's quiet now. I don't hear animals in the background. Oh, it's really comfortable. Only you cannot wear this one in the dirt because it's cotton and it's quite tight for me. So I will check the size. This is size 37, so it really depends the shoes. So mine now is 37 point. I need 37.5. So it's 235 here, so I need 38. Depends the brand. Because this one is just like no allowance of my toes. It feels like size 35, like exactly same size of my foot, and then I need allowance, so at least I need 37. But here it says 37 here, but it's kind of not tight, but just exactly enough to fit in my feet. So I don't know the brand. It says Warrior. I order Fila at Lazada shop, but then takes time. So I will check later if it's ready shipped. It's tight. Wait, I will walk for it later. But now is I'm gonna try the other one. So size 30, but it's very comfy, very comfortable inside. So this is inside. It's really soft. I have Nike shoes, the other one I'm gonna show you, size 36. But then it really depends because it's hard. The footbed is hard and I don't really like it so much. So, but this one is good. Only it's kind of, I don't want to ruin my toes and also my nails. It's quite, I need allowance like 1 inch. So, okay, I'm gonna remove my luggage. I have to move this one. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's small. I think you also include the allowance here because it's kind of extended in this area at the end. So it's very comfortable shoes. It's very good. The height is good. Inside is good. The only thing I feel my toes is doing like this because I don't want to ruin my toenails and my toenail polish, and so I cannot really tell my size. Sometimes, well, this is size 37, but I think depends the brand. I'm gonna walk with you. I'm gonna walk with you guys. The shoes. I'm gonna on the light because it's dark. So that's all, and I did not lock this one. Okay. That's all for now.